What's up, guys, girls? It's your boy SGP back at you with another mail call episode. If you've been watching my videos, this is the third of today. We've been breaking them up so you don't have to sit there and watch 10-15 minute clips. But either or, before we get into the video, remember to like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate all the feedback you guys have been giving me. I appreciate that you guys have been coming out rocking with me. It means so much to me. Alright, but enough of me. Let's get right into the shoes. These are coming out of Oregon. I know what these are. I was really looking forward to these. If you've been watching YouTube for any amount of time, or any good length of amount of time, you have heard of the man DJ HesKicks. I'll leave a link to his Instagram and his YouTube down below. He's one of the guys that once I started watching sneakers on YouTube, I gravitated towards him because he puts up a lot of content, a lot of good content. But at this point, he has started a new family. He has I believe it's a new daughter on the way. Congratulations to you, Hes. But he's been cleaning out his closet. And he decided to get rid of some shoes. I saw it in one of his videos. This is his website, collectivekicks.com. So this is where I got these shoes off of. But like I say, since he was... Oh, he got a letter in here too. But since he was cleaning out his closet to make room for his new baby girl, he has a massive collection, or did have a massive collection. And he was just letting some things go that maybe he had doubles of, maybe they weren't as important, and he was letting them go for a really good price. So I think I got these for somewhere $50-$60 shipped. As you can see, they are Saucony, however you want to pronounce that. I don't have any Sauconys currently in my collection. I don't know if I've ever even owned a pair of Sauconys. So, with the story behind this and helping out Hes with his situation and my need to have a Saucony, this was just a great experience, a great pickup for me. Alright, let's see what the letter says. Hello, thank you for purchasing something for my personal collection. This support is truly appreciated, and I hope you enjoy the product. Now I will be able to get Harrison's bedroom all ready to go, and the wife is a bit happier that we are one more step to having a normal house. Cheers, HesKicks. Hey man, congratulations again, Hes. I actually got 2 pairs of shoes out of you. I got this pair, off your Collective Kicks website, and I also won a StockX bid from you. So it's an honor to have. I think he's one of the sneaker YouTube legends. So thank you, Hes. But let's get into the shoes. These are the Shadow 6000 MD, size 9.5. And here they go. Bam. Wow. This is a really, really cool shoe. So this looks like leather, but it feels like more of a rubber. So that seems real sturdy, more like a tough tech material. The upper is all leather. Mesh style tongue, white laces, aqua teal on the inside, Shadow 6000 on the back. I hope you guys can see this is sort of a tumbled leather. Black and white polka dots. On the tongue, it says Shadow 6000 once again. this side of here. Does the insole come out? Yep. Pretty thick insole. Teal. So, you guys know I've been trying to expand my collection and get new things in. We went down the ASICS road. I was looking for a pair of Saucony's, and these were it. So, these were dead stock, as you can see. So for 60 bucks, dead stock, can't really beat the price. And like we stated before, it was for a good cause. Came with the additional laces, gray laces. So let me know if you rather see the gray laces or the white laces. So I think these are going to go back out on the truck with me. These are going to get a lot of wear over the next couple weeks. Alright, but that's what we got for you today, guys. Let me know if it's a quality pickup. Like, comment, subscribe down below. And hey, remember, go check out DJ HesKicks. I'm out.